Hi, I'm John with Canadian Sharing locally and globally. We're a registered Canadian charity that is committed to helping people in South India and supporting worldwide disaster relief efforts. Canadian Sharing programs focus on health and education to reduce poverty. It provides direct medical and educational outreach in South India and supports the delivery of emergency aid in disaster-struck areas of the world. Canadian Sharing is an entirely volunteer organization. It strives to engage volunteers locally and globally with charitable organizations in India to alleviate poverty through improvements in health and education. We invite you to join us and share whatever you wish, whether it be finances, skills, or enthusiasm. For example, one committed family has pledged and has donated funds required to pay all of Canadian Sharing administrative costs. That means that 100% of your donations go to supporting Canadian Sharing's programs. In South India, Canadian Sharing purchases items directly from the supplier or manufacturer and donates them to our beneficiaries. Canadian Sharing provides bursaries and scholarships to students needing financial support. Direct support with worldwide disaster relief organizations means that our donations go directly to those who need it. In the Vellore district of South India, we have several different programs to improve health and reduce poverty by supporting local, sustainable, charitable outreaches. Canadian Sharing improves rural health and reduces poverty by improving basic nutrition, by supporting differently abled people, and by supporting rural health programs and by donating hospital equipment. To improve rural education, Canadian Sharing provides grade school scholarships and educational equipment such as computers, smartboards, and printers to a local grade school. Canadian Sharing also provides nursing school scholarships and library materials to a local nursing college.
I'm coming from village only. My father is a breadwinner of the family. My father working BD worker. In my family, one elder brother, one younger sister. My elder brother also study.
Canadian Sharing's Emergency Disaster Relief Program addresses current crisis. In the past, Canadian Sharing supported victims of the Nepal earthquake and the Syrian refugee humanitarian crisis. This year, Canadian Sharing supports Myanmar refugees through the Canadian Red Cross, which is providing food, water, shelter, and basic supplies to relieve the suffering during this humanitarian disaster. Through Canadian Sharing, we see change happens one person, one family, one community at a time.
Next, my father is a farmer and he cannot support me with his finance. But the Canadian Sharing Association sponsored me and helped me for that. And now I am reading well and there is no financial strain for me. Thanks for that. I like to thanks really all the members of Canadian Sharing for this sponsorship.
Canadian Sharing is an opportunity for charitably minded people to make a big difference. Each of our programs improve the quality of life and create opportunities for people, family, and communities who live in less advantaged parts of the world. Thanks for listening to us today.